Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing the trade analysis for 3rd November, which is also the expiry, as we are closed on Thursday and Friday due to Diwali. Been a short week. So what I have opened here is the Bank Nifty chart, 15 minutes. Today there were a couple of good trades but kind of remained flat. Didn't get much move on either side. Now coming for the trade possibility for tomorrow, right? I would be taking a trade if you see this kind of a wedge pattern that is formed where I'm marking right now. So if that gets taken out on the downside or the upside, I'll probably take a trade. That is on a 15-minute candle. If I get a good break of this black trend line that I've drawn, and even the second 15-minute candle starts trading below this, then probably I'll take a shot with my first target as 39,630 and the second target as 39,179. And for the trade on the upside, I'll be using again this trend line. See, even today from we kind of took resistance at this zone that is around 40,000. As mentioned in the yesterday's video, we had a lot of OI over here, which probably gave some resistance at 40,100. So this chart pattern is something that I'll be following tomorrow. If this breaks, yeah, probably I'll take a trade with this green lines as my first target, and we have a very good support here, so we need to be careful. Now I'm just going to shift to the weekly and monthly CPR chart, which I use every day in my analysis. See, all these lines are not plotted by me. It's the weekly and the monthly CPR chart, where you can find it in the indicators. You just have to go and type in CPR. You'll find a list of indicators. The dotted lines are nothing but the weekly CPR, orange, purple and orange, and the cross is monthly, as the month and the week just started now, November. See, even today we went and took resistance exactly at the weekly CPR level and then dipped, and on Monday we actually took support at the monthly CPR and went up. So a good trade in Bank Nifty, like a good momentum trade on the upside, would only be if we start trading above 40,137. That is, not just go up and come down, probably a 15-minute candle close above this. Then it will be best if we can wait for a retest of this level and then probably see higher levels. So that's the trade on the upside. And for the trade on the downside, I will make use of this trend line, this black trend line that I've drawn. If that breaks, yeah, my first immediate scalp trade will be until 39,640. Now let me just turn on the CPR. This is the daily CPR. What I show you here is the weekly and the monthly CPR. Now coming to the daily CPR, see, at this level where we had pretty good resistance today at 40,100, we have R1 pretty close to that level, and also we have this black trend line on the upper side that I've drawn, and I am expecting some kind of a reversal from here, the previous day high and the R1 until CPR, if CPR breaks until S1. Why is that? I'll be showing you one more trend line. See, now if from this all-time high, if we mark another trend line, right, it comes exactly over here. Since everything is messed up, I'm just going to turn off the CPR and I'm going to remove this trend line so the chart looks clean. See, we also have this trend line where we took resistance today, and this level is getting narrower, right? This trend line, once we add this price action is getting narrower. We had a pretty wide move again. So a breakout of this pattern on the upside or on the downside is pending. Not sure if that'll come tomorrow or probably next week, but tomorrow there is a chance of a breakout or a breakdown happening. It's only because we have 4 days of holiday. Obviously on 4th evening we open, but that is a very small trading session for 1 hour. So a lot of short positions can either get covered or the long positions can get out, book some profits. So we could have a dip or a good moment on the upside, and confirmation would be a break of this trend line for the downside, and upside would be if we start trading above the weekly CPR, that is 40,129. Now just looking at the open interest, see, we have very good resistance at 40,000. Even today 40,000 could not break. Let's see the closing. Today close is still below 40,000 and a very good support at 39,500. That's pretty much where even today we reversed from. We reversed close to 39,600. Now on this plain chart, I've just marked where the resistance and the support is based on the OI. The orange line, 40,000 is where we have a good resistance and 39,500 is where we have a good support. So in case we get a short trade, right, probably somewhere on the higher levels, if I take a short entry, probably I'll book my profit somewhere close to this level, 39,500, using the CPR. See, I'm kind of expecting this move where we will reverse from R1 and the previous day high until CPR or S1. So this is the move that I'm counting on. Or if we get a gap down, we might get a good reversal from this S1 previous day low until the CPR or R1. These are the two things that I'm counting on. So that's my view for Bank Nifty. I'm just betting on this chart pattern. Let's see if it works or not tomorrow. And now coming to Nifty. Nifty is still in kind of consolidating range between 18,000 and 17,600, though we took support today at 18,850. If this support breaks, right, in Nifty, that is about 18,840, we can see lower levels. There's a good support over here. I'll just mark another line. There's a very good support from where we got this nice up rally, right? We could see levels of 17,730 if this level of 17,800 breaks, and any trade in the upside above 18,000 looks difficult based on the open interest. Let me just pull up the Nifty open interest. See, we have huge resistance at 18,000. The number of call riders that are there are huge, and absolutely nothing on the put side. There's not much put writing done. So in case we get some kind of a news or a good up move, right, all this call sellers of 18,000 probably can square off and we can see an up move, but I don't see that happening. Any news coming probably tomorrow before the expiry, before we close. So we could remain again sideways, and crossing 18,000 is difficult. And coming for the trade on the downside, we can also make use of this kind of this trend line, which probably if breaks, we can see some good breakdown on the downside. A good support is only coming in at 17,800, but it's very less. So anyway, if we, in the day, anytime if we go close to 18,000, that is probably over here, the red line that I've plotted where we opened today, and probably again get some kind of a bearish candle, we can take a shot at 18,000 with these lower levels as a target, and also making use of the CPR for target on the lower side. So this is my trade plan for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see how it goes. I'm just counting on this chart pattern. If it breaks down, probably we'll get a good move on the downside. We'll just wait and see what happens tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.